Hello people, welcome to New's Adventure where we cook good food, explore new places, go on new adventures. It's a vibe. Hope you enjoy and don't forget to leave a like.
Remember to subscribe,
Boom, alright people, check in. Before me start off this video, I'm gonna talk about this girl with me. Recently I scroll up on TikTok and see she have this kind of sickness what them call schizophrenia, in which is a personality disorder, and the family that seek help to help her. So them have a GoFundMe and TikTok to help her. Them want raise 20,000 US to take care of medications, or school wise, and some other things, So yeah, that really touched me also. We'd have to come out and talk about it. I don't know them, I don't know the girl personally, or parents, or sister, anybody. But we just scroll up on TikTok and see it, and just say me I can talk about it. I know me no might have a huge following platform, but hopefully this can reach more people so more people can help her. So yeah, she have schizophrenia. If you see this video and want help out in any kind of way, send her medications or anything, the GoFundMe I got there and in the description. So you can definitely help her out. I'm gonna put a little video right here so you can see what me I talk about. And the girl name is Alien. So I put a local video and her picture right here. So nice girl. When I see on the TikTok, she used to normal and all of that. But recently, it's like she gathered the sickness over time. So most definitely, if you can help, you can reach out to me and reach out to the family, But as me say, you don't have to reach out to me though, because I'm gonna put the GoFundMe under the description of this video. So if you can help with even $10 or $1, I know them would really appreciate it. As I say, I don't know them personally none at all. Just I scroll through TikTok and I see it and it really touch me heart. So I would have to come and talk about it. So yeah. So that is it. So just stay tuned. Boom. Alright people, check in. So we are going to catch up a fire now. We have some coal right here, so so we are going to deal with the meat first and then we deal with the rice, So we are going to get the coal. Drop the coal in the pot. Now the stove. And we have a piece of tissue. We are going to put some oil on it and catch up the fire quick and fast, Because the rain drew a little bit. Put the oil on it, just like that, and light it. A fast move and thing. So see it there? Burn like a gas. Yeah, man. So we have a look shower rain come down. But that now stop, You know food have to eat, so rain can't stop that. So see that? See the light quick and fast. Man, that oil, man. Oil run like a gas. Well marinate, as you can see, and thin. So we are gonna do, smell good. So we are gonna put the pot on the fire. We have the pot right there, so we put the pot on the fire and thin. The pot hot, and we get in the bird on it, That is it. So stay tuned. There we are the same here for that is it. we have the pot on the fire. I go on hot and thing. I do the best as I can to get as much footage as I can because I'm one, you know, and thing. So yeah, so we have the pot on the fire back at me and thing. We wait till it hot so we can get in the bird night. We make it cook up and all of that. You know how easy look thing, you know. That is it. Maybe we have to go put the rice pan the fire inside because as you can see night will come and all of that. So just stay tuned. Anything we do, we make you know. You know, that is it. So that looking nice and lovely, you know. So we're gonna drop it in the fire right now. And think. As I say, I try and get as much footage as I can. Phone, you know. Nice and lovely. I remember to subscribe to Neely's Adventure JA, where we adventure new places and do a new style and new food. That is it. So just stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. That is it. Alright, see it there? That come down nice and things, so smell good. All of that, you know. So we have to deal with some bird. I hope we fly in the night, you know. That is it, man. So just stay tuned. We'll make it fry up look a bit more and then we drop some water in here, you know. Okay, you know, brown stew don't really take long to cook. So we'll make it dry down. Then we get we season them. Then we get we season them on it, you know. Yeah, this same way food, that is it. We did dinner marinate and thing. Yeah, man. Get some water in the pan, same way, you know. That is it. See there? Yeah, man. Smell nice. Yeah, man, so that is it. We make it dry down. Then get it first dry down, cut up, we season them, and throw it night, you know. That is it. So stay tuned for that. We have a lot. Check for it. Okay, lovely. It dry down good. And nice, you know. See there? Nice, you know. So these are the first dry down. So I wait till it dry down. We get in the other water upon it with the seeds them and everything. So we are going to do right now. Cut up, we season them, so you know, and prepare everything, all of that. So just stay tuned for that. You know, we are cut up to seize them right. When this dry down, we get in the other dose of water upon it to get the seize them upon it, you know. That is it. Remember to subscribe to Neil's Adventures, and all of that. So just stay tuned. There we are doing. We drop in a pot, you know. So we have an onion here, so we have cut up first. Now we are going to use the whole onion. So we have strip off the skin off it. Okay, we don't want them there in your pot. You see it, so that we are there now, you know. Put it up nice and fine and all of that. Now we have a carrot, you know. So we have to scrape it just like that. Purple onion. You know this give pot a nice look and thing. So I cut it. Same speed, you know. Now they on a fast move. Upon it so we can get it in the pot dry down, you know. I throw some seeds upon the same way. Seeds not the natural seeds them and thing as it. We have this same way. We're gonna drop some on it same way. This is it. Just put salt nice same way, you know. That is it, people. Get the oil, throw on it. We have the great brown in. We are going to drop in it and get some in a pot same way. You know. Mix around everything. Make sure everything looking nice and all of that, you know. The people, that is it looking nice, you know. So we are dropping in a pot right now. Yeah, man. That is it, you know. Nice. So we are waiting to dry down a little bit more and then we get in the seeds them on it, you know. That is it. So just stay tuned for that. There we are doing it. Just stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, we make the pot dry down a little bit more. Then we get in the seeds upon it, you know. That is it. So just stay tuned. And remember to subscribe and most definitely turn on the post notification bell to get notified when we post a new and improved video. So that is it. There we are doing it. Boom. Inside now, I will look for some jasmine rice with the stew bird, just because the knife and thing. You have to leave the rice inside, you know. So yeah. You're gonna wash your hand. Get the rice in the pot. Wash it. No. So we have the rice right as up. Turn on the pipe on it. Wash it, you know. That is it. We are give 2 wash and all of that, you know. So just stay tuned. We have the good old jasmine rice and things. When you wash rice, you wash it like how you wash clothes, you know? That is it. Get out all of the starch. You know, white rice carry a whole heap of starch and things. So yeah. And throw off just like that. Need the next wash again. Wash quick and fast, you know. Meanwhile, the meat outside I go and simmer down. You make it simmer down a little bit, then we get the ketchup in it, you know, and all of that. So yeah, so we just deal with the rice inside. Alright. So rice well washed now and thing. Get some water upon it so we can drop it on the fire, you know. So just stay tuned, they are ready. Yeah, people, fire red and that, you know. I guess so. It's dry down. So I get in the rest of water and the natural season them same, you know. That is it. So just stay tuned. Natural season, yeah, so. So it look nice. I get it in the pot. That is it, people, you know. So we have the dog away for a film share. Yeah, man. We get a store and thing, you know. That is it. So one good thing we want to know after the carrot them soft up, you know. And then you know I eat that. So yeah, we are storing the seeds them. Now it smell good. So we are dry, make it dry down a little bit, and then we add salt and all of that. So yeah, that is it. So just stay tuned for that. First time cooking bird and all of that. Usually eat it, but we usually jerk it when we're smaller. Usually catch bird and jerk them. So yeah, so just stay tuned. Then we are doing it. You know, that is it. Boom. That is it. Because I rice up on the fire, you know. And all of that, you know. Rice up on fire and thing and all of that. So, you know, we are going to look on the meat back. We are going to look on the meat again and check in and see what I go on, you know. Meanwhile, the rice I go and boil up. I get away salt in it and butter, all of that. And then we go check on the meat. So just stay tuned. There we are doing it. Boom. So we are going to drop in it now and taste it and see what I go and eat, you know. So you better if you made your salt, you just taste it, and if you want to add more, you add more if you want. So we taste it, put it in your hand, go just like this. Taste it. And it tastes like the salt. When it can go on, so we're going to make it simmer down. We get my butter in it. And make it go on simmer down, you know. That is it. Right now we can smell the meat, so you know say it has shot. So yeah, this is it. We'll cover it up and make it stay there. We'll check on the meat, you know. Alright people, check in back on the meat pot, you know. And the thing, that. The man will get the ketchup and thing in there, you know. That is it. So just stay tuned and watch you do that. The ketchup and thing, you know, we have the, what them call this, Ian's, Ian's ketchup, you know, tomato ketchup and thing. With them type of ketchup, you know, you have to shake it out, you know, if you just up meat, so a bit of water will come out, you know. So you have to shake it down. For the ketchup, you know, have to thick up your gravy and all of that, you know. Yeah. Smelling good, people, me not lie. So we drop some salt in it and taste it and see how that go on. Yeah man, alright. Drop a little bit more brown in it. Drop some more brown in it. Alright. That's it, you know. The salt here is the same way. We are getting it and taste it. Taste what I go and eat, you know. Now go put whole heap of salt. Just a little bit of salt You know, you don't want over salt your pot and all of that. So we have to put it and taste it and see what I go on. Yeah man, that is it. Look at twips more in it. Look a bit more in it. Alright? Then put a little secret ingredient in it. We not show that pan camera, you know. So just stay tuned. People, this is how it come down, you know. That is it. The butter well melt and alright night. Yeah man. So you know, see be a niceness. So just stay tuned. There we are doing it for now. That is it. You know, this is jasmine rice. This not take long to cook. I'm going to think this one to eat and die, you know. So what we are going to do, we are going to turn on the fire right now. We'll make it dry down a little bit more and then we'll turn on the fire because we not add no more water to it. So yeah, that is it. Everything looking lovely and nice. And thing. Can't wait to taste everything when everything done, you know. Yeah man, lock it. So you just see meat just a while ago. Showing the rice. Rice coming down nice and good. The meat up on the fire outside. Tasting good same way. And all of that. So just stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. And all of that. Today we are doing it. Boom. Alright people. So you come now, you know. Fucking nice. That is cooked already and thing, you know. Oh. So I make it dry down a little bit more. I make it steam, you know, we make it steam. And wait upon the meat for done. And thing. Meat upon it way. Give it the next 10 minutes. And it done, you know. So you just stay tuned. And see when we are share out. And all of that. That is it. Alright people, so basically now everything done, you know, so I take off the pot, we are going inside and share out and make you see what I go on, you know. So we have a check the pot now, so we have the spoon and we have a deal with it right now, you see it? We got the dish towel, so we have a piece of leaf, so we are going to take off the cover I pot with, you know. That is it. Alright, everything looking nice. Gravy thick and all of that. So guess what? We take it off and share it out and make you know what I'm going, you know. First time eating brown stew bird. I hope it tastes good, you know. That is it. Just stay tuned and take it off right away. So just catch me back with me in the kitchen, you know. That is it. Alright people, so grab the meat right there, so see that? Stir around and everything, you know. That is it. Meat right there, so well cooked down. Like that. Yes it. We have the rice here, so same way. You know, so I go share out and make you see what I go on. That is it. So everything done now. Was a nice day. You know me tired. Remember to subscribe and all of that. Stay tuned. We will share it out and taste it and go now. Best feedback off of, you know. That is it. Boom. We are share the rice now. This is a nice little decoration for you know. The rice looking nice. That is it. clear up and this one get going on. Nice look up decoration and thing, you know? That is it. I'll show you how I go on. See that paper? See there? That type. Why me bad people me not lie? You see how me can't go talk? Everything cooked just right. Right seasoning. Right ketchup, right everything. You know. Only thing me kind of gummy. You know my bread will cook, is it? So, me gummy and nice. Yeah man, I right with your people. And after this, you know what I will do? Go right back in the pot. Yeah man. As I say, everything cooked just right. Rice cooked right. Meat cooked right. Rice seasoned right. Everything. Everything I know. So, stay tuned. We'll come to the end of our next video. As you see it come down and all of that. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share and turn on the post notification bell and all of that. Stay tuned for your next video. Soon. That is it. Boom. We out.